Good morning and welcome to Morning Conversations with me, Mika. And I'm sorry, sobrang paus ko. Sobrang I'm not feeling well after my first day of work. I feel like lalala pa to. But I still want to show up. Hindi man every day, but whenever I feel like I want to share something with you guys or debrief with myself, gusto ko talaga na makapag-film ako or makapag-video ako. So, yesterday, I also had work and I met with one of my talents and also friend and sobrang na-appreciate ko siya kasi nag-feedback siya sa amin how we do our work and ang ganda lang nung meron kang lens na whenever you communicate your needs, your wants, or tinatawag namin siya minsan clearing. Ang ganda na walang takot, walang judgment, and also hindi ka din matatakot na mag-open up because alam mo na hindi siya ma-receive in a bad way and also hindi din siya mapupunta sa ibang tao. So, yun din yung one of my realizations lately na parang, shucks, I don't really want to be in a space na talking about other people na I just want to talk about myself and hear what other people wants to say about themselves too. Kasi gusto ko yung ganun, yung parang lahat expansive na lang, lahat for growth, what are you doing next, uh, how are you really doing right now, ganyan. Yan na yung mga gusto kong conversations. And so, super na-appreciate ko talaga yung talent ko na yun. As in, sinabi ko din yun sa kanya kahapon and na-share niya din na ang one of, sorry, ayun, na-share niya din na one of his learnings din in life is to really communicate. Kasi madaming bagay talaga na naayos through communication and not just bugsh, wala na, ganun, cut off na agad. Madami pang bagay ang pwedeng maayos through communicating. So, yun. And ang saya kasi na-solidify din yung learning ko na yun through him. And, ang ingay ng aso. But anyway, late na kasi ako nagising. And ayun, yun na nga maingay yung aso. So ayun, today, ang nilagay ko sa journal ko ay ang galing ng utak kasi there are some things na pag binaon mo na talaga siya sa limot, yun pala yung meaning nun. Talagang mahihirapan ka na din kalkalin yun unless you really have the tools. Which is, for me, ang na-realize ko ay sobrang hindi na ako nag-work in my masculine side. So, I need to work on that. So, tinry ko siyang itap ulit through my tools, which is meditation and journaling. And talagang iniisip ko, paano ko ba nagawa yung mga bagay na yun dati? Bakit ngayon parang hindi ako maka-connect to that version on me and sobrang detached ko na. Parang kinalimutan ko kasi yun because of all the traumas, ganyan, and all the challenges na hindi ko pa alam i-navigate noon. But, I'm really praying na matap ko ulit yung masculine side ko na yun. And sobrang galing kasi my devotion says na do it all for Him. And I realized na this time, I'm doing things not just for me and for other people, but also for Him. Because I realized na I've been doing my work not just really to gain things for me, but also to really create opportunities for other people, to open that door for them, and really improve their life. Kasi naranasan ko din naman yun, and I'm really grateful for all the people who opened those doors for me, as in from the bottom of my heart. Sobrang grateful ko talaga, kaya na-feel ko din na I want to pay it forward and do it to other people as well. And this time, I'm not just opening those doors of opportunities for them, but also I'm supporting them. How will they want to create a movement by sending or uh, by creating a movement through their messaging. And also, hindi na lang to parang gusto kasi ng mga tao na magkaroon ng more opportunities. But this time, I'm also supporting them. How can they really know who they are. Kasi yun din yung naging journey ko. Parang nagkaroon ako ng opportunities that opened a lot of doors for me. But also, with my journey, nakilala ko din kung sino ako. And yun din yung gusto ko na mapasa this time. And alam nyo, ang ganda kasi it all boils down to loving other people and loving God. As in, parang, ang sinulat ko dito ay, it all boils down to giving love to others. And this is my essence now. Parang, I see other people with so much love na whatever they are going through or projecting to me, naintindihan ko siya in a sense na, baka ganyan siya kasi meron din siya mga pinagdaanan na ganito. And since I have so much love, like nag-overflow yung love ko, naiintindihan ko lang din sila and hindi ko na siya nakikita in a sense na, ganyan yan kasi ganito, ganyan. Alam niyo yun, like, even the tone is different, even how I explain it to you guys is different. Ganon din siya natitake ng sarili ko before. Parang dati full of judgment, but now it's full of love na you really understand where are they coming from. Ayun, tapos parang I also have challenges in business, but I also don't want to paano ko ba siya sabihin? I also don't want to basta, I want to take care of the people that I have now. Kasi, gusto ko talaga mag-grow with them. Like, not just like in their personal lives, but also professionally. Parang ganun ko na nakikita yung life na everyone's just having their own journeys. Sorry sa Shopee. Everyone's having their own journey. So, I just need to respect it and go with their decisions kasi everything that I say is also just a suggestion, diba? Hindi ko naman yun parang force. Even here in the podcast, I don't want to force beliefs. But everything is just a suggestion or it's just another brain fog ako. It's just another message that ikaw na yung bahala kung paano mo siya i-receive or ano yung gagawin mo sa information na yun. So, ayun. I'm just so happy to be in this phase of my life na everything from here on, I see it with so much love na I can give so much love. Grabe, as in gagawa ko ng paraan para lang hindi mapabayaan yung mga tao, gagawa ko ng paraan para hindi ma-lost tong taong na to. As long as I can, 'di ba? And as long as open yung tao na yon, I would be there. And ang ganda lang talaga. And yun yung parang hindi ko talaga siya ma-explain kasi pag explain ko siya parang kailangan may concrete na example. But I guess my phase now is really trusting everything to God because I know that I am doing everything because of Him and because of the love na nare-receive ko din sa Kanya. Nakapagbigay din ako ng love to other people. Para lang siyang funnel na nakakakuha ko ng love. So ngayon, magbibigay na ako ng love. Parang gano'n, like, gano'n siya. So, ang ganda and ang saya, mabuhay. If you have this lens, kasi before grabe parang full of judgment, full of anger because I wasn't also in a safe space. So ayun lang, I just wanna share that and I hope today you will give so much love to other people and you do things for Him and not just for yourself because this time it is really bigger than you. As in, like yung purpose mo ngayon, it's bigger than you. Ganon din ako. Yun din yung naiisip ko lagi na everything that I do now, it's not me, it's really Him. Ayun lang. Bye!